Sometimes you may want to combine two photos and edit that photo. Before, you needed to know about editing and you wanted editing software, but now it's not like that. With AI tools, you can do that easily. One of the prominent AI tools is Grok AI. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to combine two photos and edit those photos using Grok AI. For this, you need to install the Grok AI application. It's available in the Play Store and App Store, and if you want, you can use it in the browser also. Anyway, I've installed this application. After that, open the application. When you're opening this application, here you can see the Imagine option. Click on Imagine. When you're clicking on that, here you can see a photo button. Click on that. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the Edit Image option. Click on Edit Image. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach your gallery. From the gallery, select the photos which you want to edit. For example, I'm selecting these two photos. I want to combine these two photos. If you want to select more than two photos, you can do that also. Anyway, here I'm selecting only two photos. After that, click on this Add button. And when you're clicking on that, here you can see Type to Make Image. And you can tell what you want in your new image. Here I want to combine these two images. So you should tell that. And you should also mention where that second image should be placed and what should be its length, everything. Anyway, after telling what you want, click on this Send button. When you're clicking on that, Grok AI will make the necessary changes in that photo. Now here you can see that the editing has been done. It is exactly how I said, and if you wanted to do more editing, here you can see Type to Edit Image. Click on this and you can tell what you want. So you can make more changes in this photo. Anyway, I'm happy with this photo. So I want to save this photo. For that, click on this button. When you're clicking on that button, that will be downloaded to your phone. So this way, you can easily combine two photos and edit that photo using Grok AI. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.